million holdings in Global Payments Inc. NYSE. GPN. The Louisiana State Employees Retirement System reduced its stake in Global Payments Inc. by 4.2% during the fourth quarter. According to holdingschannel.com, the institutional investor owned 13,700 shares of the business services provider as of the end of 2022. Portee says his parents sold land, borrowed money to send him to U.S. Urges government assistance. Sorov, an alleged illegal Indian immigrant deported from the U.S. to Amritsar, revealed his harrowing journey, which cost his family 45 lakh rupees. After traversing through various countries, he was caught and detained upon entering the U.S. Despite cooperating. Ethereum. ETH is currently trading at $2,718.68, up 0.88% in the last 24 hours and 2.79% over the past week. Today's high and low prices were $2,718.70 and $2,653.34. Rockwell Automation, Inc. NYSE. ROC. Shares sold by Louisiana State Employees Retirement System. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System cut its stake in shares of Rockwell Automation, Inc. NYSE. ROC. Free report. By 4.7% during the fourth quarter. Holdingschannel.com reports. The firm owned 6,100 shares of the industrial products company's stock. AF. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System raises position in Lumentum Holdings Inc. NASDAQ. Light. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System raised its holdings in shares of Lumentum Holdings Inc. NASDAQ. Light. Free report. By 1.6% during the fourth quarter. According to its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. SEC. The fund own. Canaccord Genuity Group raises JFrog. NASDAQ. Frog. Price target to $45. JFrog. NASDAQ. Frog. Get free report. Had its target price increased by investment analysts at Canaccord Genuity Group from $38 to $45 in a research note issued to investors on Friday, Benzinga reports. The brokerage currently has a buy rating on the S. Cosmos Hub. Atom is currently trading at $4.80, up 0.15% in the last 24 hours and 1.22% over the past week. Today's high and low prices were $4.87 and $4.73. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System buys 200 shares of Rush Enterprises, Inc. NASDAQ. Russia. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System increased its stake in shares of Rush Enterprises, Inc. NASDAQ. Russia. Free report. By 0.7% during the fourth quarter. According to the company in its most recent filing with the SEC. The fund owned 30,100 shares of T. Northrop Grumman Co. NYSE. NOC. Shares acquired by Gladstone Institutional Advisory LLC. Gladstone Institutional Advisory LLC increased its stake in Northrop Grumman by 3.3% during the fourth quarter. According to its most recent 13F filing with the SEC, the institutional investor now owns 9,062 shares of the defense contractor's stock valued at $52,000. Northrop Grumman Co. NYSE. NOC. Shares decreased -0.11% during trading on Friday, hitting $348.97. 6,065,684 shares were traded on the stock. The company's market cap is now $52.72 billion. In the past year, NOC has gained 1.05%. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System has $1.65 million stock holdings in ESCO Technologies. Inc. NYSE. SA. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System cut its holdings in ESCO Technologies Inc. NYSE. SA. Free report. By 0.8% during the fourth quarter. HoldingsChannel.com reports. The institutional investor owned 12,400 shares of the scientific and technical instrument Solana, Sol, is currently trading at $184.67, on 4.24% in the last 24 hours and 10.01% over the past week. Today's high and low prices were $193.75 and $181.06. Certuity LLC boosts stake in Tesla, Inc. NASDAQ. TSLA. Certuity LLC increased its position in Tesla, Inc. NASDAQ. TSLA. Free report. By 18.0% during the fourth quarter. According to its most recent Form 13F filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The institutional investor owned 20,041 shares of the UAE expands visa on arrival facility for Indian from 6 more countries. The new countries include France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. The UAE's visa on arrival program allows eligible passengers to obtain a short-term entry visa upon arrival at Dubai International Airport without needing to apply for a prior visa. This initiative is aimed at boosting tourism and business ties between the UAE and India. The expansion of the visa on arrival program to include travelers from these 6 additional countries reflects the strong bilateral relations between the UAE and those nations. It also underscores the UAE's commitment to facilitating travel for international visitors, while enhancing economic cooperation between the two countries. The inclusion of France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom in the visa on arrival program is expected to further enhance the appeal of Dubai as a destination for tourists from these countries. The UAE's visa policies have consistently been praised by international travelers for their ease of obtaining, and the country's visa-free entry initiatives have made it one of the world's most popular destinations for tourists. In conclusion, the United Arab Emirates has expanded its visa on arrival program to include 6 more countries, providing Indian nationals with additional options for obtaining a short-term entry visa upon arrival at Dubai International Airport. This move is expected to boost tourism and business ties between the UAE